Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will gonna show how to reset your Windows 10 PC to factory settings without losing your files. So let's start. There are many ways to reset your Windows 10. You can simply search the reset in the search bar. Or you can go to settings by pressing Windows plus I key. Now go to updates and security. Now click on recovery. Here we have two options. If you click on get started, you will start the process to reset your PC. Here you can choose to keep my files. If you don't want to keep your files, you can choose the second option here. Now here you have to select the second option, local reinstall. Now confirm the settings here. Now your PC ready to reset. You can click on here to view the application that will be removed after resetting Windows 10. All your applications will be removed after resetting the computer. The following apps cannot be reinstalled from Microsoft Store, so you will need to reinstall these apps from the web or installation disks. Now select Reset to start reinstalling Windows 10, and your computer will restart after the reinstallation is completed. Now here you can see my files. So let's check my file will be safe after resetting Windows 10 on my PC. So the second way to reset your Windows 10. Just restart your Windows 10. But when you click on restart, you have to press and hold the shift key. And restart your Windows 10. So this is Windows recovery environment. After the computer enters Windows recovery environment, select troubleshoot. Now select the reset this PC option here. Here you can choose to keep my files. If you don't want to keep your files, you can choose the second option here. Select keep my files. Select your account here. Enter the password for this account, then select continue. If you didn't set up a password for this account, please select continue directly. Select local reinstall. If you cannot reinstall Windows via local reinstall or any errors occurred, you are able to choose cloud download to reinstall Windows. Your computer needs to be in an available internet environment for cloud download. Select reset to start reinstalling Windows 10. Please make sure that the AC adapter is connected during the reset process. Also, please do not force to shut down to prevent any issue. So your Windows 10 will be reset and you will log in normally in your Windows 10. Now after resetting Windows 10, you can check the removed application list here. These are the removed applications while resetting the PC. Now I am checking my tools in the download folder. And all the application is here. So that is it. This is the way how to reset your Windows 10 PC to factory settings without losing your files. Thank you for watching this video. And make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.